Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Irmisat Zara and my registration number is FA20BCS050. My topic is waste management companies in Punjab, Pakistan. Before talking about the waste management companies, we need to understand what is waste management. It is also known as waste disposal and it deals with all types of wastes such as industrial, biological, household. It manages waste from its inception, from where it is collected, to its final disposal, where it is discarded off. For a smooth management of waste, the process includes collection, transport, treatment, disposal, monitoring, and regulation. There is a dire need for waste management. If waste is not discarded properly, then it will have adverse effects on the environment, animals, marine life, and human health. Waste management in Pakistan. In Pakistan, roughly 20 million tons of solid waste is generated annually, with annual growth rate of about 2.4%. Waste management companies in Punjab. Assets and employees of solid waste management have been transferred to these companies. Lahore Waste Management Company LWMC. It provides the following services: waste collection. Door-to-door container-based collections are done daily. More than 500 waste drums have been placed. 6 primary drains have been installed to avoid other drains from clogging. Mechanical sweeping. It is done through a contractor named Albarek. It covers 124 roads and uses 31 vehicles. Mechanical washing. The same contractor Albarek is used for cleaning 129 roads and 14 vehicles are used for this purpose. Manual sweeping. More than 800 teams have been deployed for manual sweeping, and it is done in 3 shifts: morning, afternoon, and night. Workers are provided with safety and health gadgets along with broom and waste pickers. Operations at fruit and vegetable market. Various cleanup operations have been carried in major vegetable and fruit markets, providing a clean and healthier environment for the shopkeepers as well as the buyers. Apart from waste collection and disposal, LWMC also does the following. It encourages communities to reduce waste, create safer disposal sites, and increase public-private partnerships. Next is Gujranwala Waste Management Company GWMC. GWMC collects garbage from 64 union councils. Services provided by GWMC. It includes manual sweeping, mechanical sweeping, waste transportation, drain cleaning, and mechanical washing. Other services provided by GWMC. It includes the monsoon plan and the dengue operations. For the monsoon plan, GWMC has established 8 emergency centers in all zones for rainy season. For dengue operations, machinery is engaged to clear the open plots filled with solid waste. Next is the Sialkot Waste Management Company SWMC. SWMC designed new system with the assistance of LWMC to implement new services in Sialkot. Lahore Waste Management Company has helped the Sialkot Waste Management Company to establish itself. Sialkot is divided into 4 zones comprising of 16 union councils. Services provided by SWMC. SWMC has deployed 2 mechanical sweepers, one water bowser for washing of chokes and roads, 3 compactors, 200 containers for waste storage, 8 mini dampers for door-to-door waste collection. Removal and disposal of sludge, garbage, sewer or storm water, solid or liquid waste is also provided by SWMC. Rawalpindi Waste Management Company RWMC. RWMC provides services in 63 union councils of the city. These are the services provided by RWMC: placement of waste containers, manual and mechanical sweeping, mechanical washing, waste collection, waste transportation, waste disposal, desilting of tertiary drains. RWMC also provides its services at 24 metro bus stations. The services include mechanical washing of the metro bus track, cleaning of platform, pedestrian bridge, stairs and escalators, auxiliary areas, and washrooms. Multan Waste Management Company MWMC. It provides the following services: door-to-door collection and placement of waste containers. MWMC has more than 170 waste containers that are placed in specified areas. MWMC is not a large-scale company and thus it can only provide these two facilities. Conclusion: many cities are short on the technology for proper management of waste material. Most landfills lack proper on-site waste management, and there is too much waste. Therefore, not all cities can properly handle the waste. We need to come up with ways which will help us to handle the waste more efficiently. Thank you.